Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review on the Tymo Curlgo. This is a cordless auto curling iron. It is a 1-inch barrel and it has such a fancy and unique type of look to it. This kept coming up on my ads and I just couldn't help but purchase it. I did purchase this myself. It was not sent to me. I was just really intrigued by it, and for someone like me that really loves to curl their hair and just doesn't have a lot of time in the morning, I just feel like this would be such a great product to have. First, for what comes in the box. Now the box looks like so, nothing special, but it does come with the device, of course. And then there is a charger, which I do like the fact that it has a charger. Lately, for anything that uses a USB-C, it comes with the USB-C cord, but no charger per se. You do have to buy those separately. But with this, it does come with everything that you need to start using the device. The only thing is that it does not come with a bag. For something that's cordless like this, I find that most people are going to be traveling with it, so it would have been nice to have a bag to protect this. Of course, you can buy any bag that you like to kind of go, but it would be nice to kind of have a bag that's just catered to this so that it protects it. So I don't know, I hope they release some sort of bag that comes with it, or even that you can purchase separately. This does retail for $99.99, and I think that's fair in comparison to other curling wands, and also definitely the Dyson Airwrap, which is very expensive. So I think that is pretty fair price, and there are so many discount codes and coupons that Tymo constantly comes out with. So here is where you would charge the device, and then you have the power button that you press for 3 seconds to turn it on. And then this button here is what you would press to twist kind of the device or the 1-inch barrel. And then we have the light setting, and it does have 3 heat settings, so low, medium, and high. And then just to change between the settings, you would just press the power button. Okay, and then it does kind of turn right and left just depending on the side and how you want to curl your hair. You always want to curl your hair away from your face, so you can certainly do that with this as well. And you just kind of press that to turn it. I'm going to start off at the medium setting. As you can see, it is flashing. That means it's trying to get up to heat. And then once it stops flashing, that means it's ready to use. You are supposed to have this kind of facing towards you. Ooh. All right, here we go. So I'm going to press the button. Okay, this is very gentle. As you can see, some hair bits kind of was flying away, and it kind of pulled it all into the device itself. Just wait for the beep. Oh my god, that looks beautiful. Look at that. All right, I'm going to try another piece. This one is a little bit thicker. I want to see if it can handle a thicker piece of hair. I noticed that if it feels that the hair is a bit too thick, it kind of goes around slower, which is good. Oh, this is so beautiful. All right, I'm going to finish the rest of my hair, and then we'll go ahead and brush it out. Now I'm going to curl the other side. Now this I took maybe a minute or two. Not even, but look at how pretty those curls are. So now I'm going to press the button to the other side so that it twists the other way away from my face for the right side. This is so easy. I love how gentle it is. I'll wait for the beep. Wow, that looks so pretty. All right, so there is the bottom half all done. So beautiful, and this took about 4 minutes or so, so 2 minutes on each side. I really love the size of this, so 1 inch is perfect. And it's so gentle to use. It doesn't tug at my hair at all. When it found a piece to be too thick, it just went very slow. And then at any time, if you want to stop it, you could just go ahead and press this turning button again and it'll stop. This is perfect. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. That's all of my hair done, and this looks absolutely stunning, and it was so easy to curl my hair using this. Usually with a hair curler, I am horrible at curling my hair. That's why I usually use my straightener, and this is so cool to the touch, so you essentially can't really burn yourself. It's so gentle on the hair. Even when I took really big pieces, it went really slow, and at times where I needed to stop it, I would just press that button and it would stop, and it's pretty easy to take your hair out. So don't feel that fear that I initially thought that it would catch your hair and burn it. It won't at all. It is such a beautiful device. All right, so now I'm going to just kind of brush out my hair. Actually, I'm just going to use my hand to kind of break those curls up. Ah, beautiful. Look how stunning that looks. And the 1 inch barrel is really perfect. You could use a wide end comb as well. Stunning, and they feel so soft to the touch. So it is a very nice ceramic curler. Just look at that. Look at these curls, they're so pretty. So that is my hair styled for the day, and I am obsessed with this tool. It is just so handy and so easy to use. This is definitely going with me when I travel. I think it is just amazing. I love it. I definitely don't think I'll be using my Air Wrap any longer. This is just so easy for someone like myself that also likes to wash their hair the night before. I think this is so much easier to curl your hair, and it creates the most beautiful curls. I think the 1 inch is perfect, but it would be nice to have smaller and larger barrels as well. Maybe they could create a tool like this where you can change the barrel sizes, but the 1 inch is perfect for me. That's normally what I use when I curl my hair. And I'm obsessed. I really am obsessed. I love this. I am so glad I purchased this. Tymo, such a great job. I highly recommend that you purchase this, especially if you love to curl your hair. You don't have a lot of time throughout the day. This is so easy. It's cordless, so you can take it on the go with you if you're running late, especially in the morning, and you have someone that's driving you to work. This is so easy to kind of curl your hair on the go. It is so beautiful, and of course the color is perfect. This is my favorite color, and it also does come in black as well. Please let me know in the description box below what your thoughts are about this tool, and whether or not you think that it would be a tool that you would enjoy using, and if it would be handy for you. Leave me a comment below. I read all of your comments and I will reply to them. If you have any questions as well about this tool, let me know in the comments below. And that is it for my review today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.